Prepare yourself, noble traveller, as we embark on a journey unlike any other. This is the story of the cosmic King David, a tale of unification, courage, and destiny among the stars. The scattered star colonies lie in disarray, torn apart by rebellion and infighting. A once thriving intergalactic alliance has crumbled, leaving its people adrift without a leader. Enter David, the young and unassuming star pilot from the forgotten mining colony known as Bethlehem. Nobody could have predicted the role he was destined to play. Guided by the radiant warrior angel Seraphine, David's ascension begins with a single fateful mission. "David," she says, her voice echoing through the hyperspace channels, "you are chosen to reunite the galaxies." But before David can rise as king, he faces his greatest opponent yet, the infamous warlord Goliath from the colossal Zorgon species, a being feared across all known sectors. Goliath commands a massive army of cybernetic dreadnoughts, threatening to obliterate any who stand in his way. The battlefield is set above the fiery rings of the volatile planet, Nibiru 6. Against the backdrop of swirling plasma storms, David pilots a small starfighter, his entire fleet consisting of outdated, barely functional ships from a forgotten era. "Do you intend to face me with this scrap metal?" Goliath bellows through the comms. David's only weapon is a prototype grav slinger, designed not for war but for mining asteroids. But armed with ingenuity and a faith that transcends technology, he targets Goliath's weak spot, a critical power node on the warlord's flagship. One shot, one precise sling of his grav beam later, and the impossible happens. Goliath's army collapses, their systems falling into disarray. The galaxy watches in awe as David's small fleet claims victory over overwhelming odds. The victory earns him not just fame, but the allegiance of scattered star colonies, who begin to rally under his banner. But war is only the beginning of David's journey. As ruler, David is tasked with weaving a divided galactic tapestry into a single, harmonious alliance. The challenges are daunting. Corruption, betrayal, and treacherous space pirate factions threaten to undermine his efforts. But where politics and technology fail, David relies on his deep connection to the divine codes left by the Creator itself. They guide his decisions, infuse him with wisdom, and inspire hope in those around him. Over time, David's reign transforms the colonies into a beacon of light amid a dark and hostile galaxy. "You were never meant to become a warrior, David," Seraphine tells him as they gaze upon the thriving new galactic kingdom. "You were meant to be a shepherd of the stars." But David wasn't perfect. His pride and human frailty lead to catastrophic errors, including a tragic incident that nearly tears his kingdom apart. Through sorrow, repentance, and redemption, David learns the true meaning of leadership, not in might, but in humility. And so, the tale of the Star Colonist King echoes throughout eternity, a story of faith, unity, and the enduring quest for peace among the stars. But this is only one chapter of the Chronicles of the Cosmos. Stay tuned, traveller, for more legendary tales that will illuminate the heavens above.